Hey guys, I'm Evan with Hitchfire. We're out of Santa Cruz, California. I'm here at Overland Expo West 22. We're here with our F20 hitch-mounted propane grill. This is a 20,000 BTU dual burner grill that mounts to a swing arm that inserts to a standard 2-inch hitch receiver. The idea is, quick deployment, full-size barbecue at camp right at the rear of your vehicle. So when you get there, you push down on the slam latch, rotate the grill out, fold out the side tables, fire it up, and you get grilling right away. When you're done, same thing, you fold in the side tables, close the lid, slam it shut. Of course, you have to remove the side table. This is our side table cutting board accessory, which allows you to prep your burgers, your onions, things like that, and then when you're done, you can lift it off and take it over to the picnic table. So this is our proprietary swing arm system that also will work with our brand new product, which I'll take you to around the corner, which is our Hitch Kitchen. And so over here we've got our Hitch Kitchen. This is basically an aluminum locker with a nested Hitch Kitchen insert mounted to that same proprietary swing arm, so it can swing away from the vehicle. You can add your cutting board side table to this. You've got running water here, so you can get some running water in here. You got onboard propane right there, so you can make your coffee, fry your eggs. You've got a little magnetic tool strip back there. When you're done, this thing all easily folds down, closes down, and locks away. If you're not using it as a hitch kitchen, you can remove the insert, and you've got 50 liters of lockable storage in this locker that mounts the swing arm. And this is going to retail for about $1,600, shipping in September. And finally, we've got our ledge. This is one of our brand new products here we've launched here at the show. And this essentially is a platform that, again, mounts to our proprietary swing arm system. So when you're not using it, you can just swing it over, swing it closed. Of course, you'd take this off, and leave it like that. You can use this to store jerry cans, wood, water cans. Then when you get to camp, you can remove that stuff, swing out the ledge platform, and use it as your kitchen, your galley. You can use smokers on here, your Coleman stoves. You can even remove these side rails and use it as a little workstation. So this retails for $325, and this ships in June. Really goes along with our general mantra, life at the hitch. So if you want any more information on any of our products or accessories, you can find us at hitchfire.com or at Hitchfire on Instagram or social media.